Okay, this is what your chile colorado should look like. A nice, rich, flavorful, beef-like stew that has these chili peppers and it has just a little bit of tomatoes, not enough, not a lot, but mostly peppers. So it's because it's chile colorado. Now, I'm going to be using my chile colorado for tamales, but you can use it like if you want. You could do a side dish with rice, a Spanish rice, some frijoles, and a little bit of queso, with some guacamole, pico de gallo, tortillas frescas, you know, some fresh corn tortillas, or your if you want to do like flour tortillas. But chile colorado, you can put them in burritos. You can make eggs, you know, make some eggs with it. You might even use it for ranchero, huevos rancheros. I mean, the chile colorado is really versatile. So if I ever had a restaurant, I would definitely be serving my chile colorado along with my chile verde. And you can use that. You can also use that with your chile colorado. You can also, if you want to use pork, if you want to use deer, elk, whatever you like, you could use it. Or if you want to make it vegetarian, that's fine. You could use some cremini mushrooms and get that texture of that beef. So either way, your chile colorado is really tasty when you add those ingredients like the peppers. The peppers are most important. Alrighty, I'll talk to you later. Bye.